Ever wondered if your AI could crack a joke today? We're diving into ElevenLabs to transform your AI into a laughter-generating machine. First, let's set the stage, open up ElevenLabs, and navigate to the Voice Lab. This is where the magic begins. ElevenLabs offers a vast library of incredible voices for comedic timing. Experiment with voices that have a natural lilt and expressiveness. Think about the personality you want your AI comedian to have. Are they dry and witty, or more boisterous and silly? Now for the core of our comedic creation, the script. To make your AI laugh, you need to write content that elicits a chuckle from you. First, start with simple, relatable scenarios. Try setting up a classic joke structure, a setup, then a punchline. For example, instead of a generic greeting, try something like, "Why did the AI break up with the calculator?" Because it felt like it was always doing the adding up in the relationship. Hit that generate button and listen. Pay close attention to the delivery. Does the AI's tone match the humor of the script? You might need to tweak the wording slightly. ElevenLabs allows you to fine-tune the speech. Try slightly increasing the speaking speed for a punchy delivery, or subtly altering the pitch to add a quirky emphasis on certain words. It's these subtle adjustments that can elevate a good line into a great one. Don't be afraid to experiment with different joke formats, observational humor, puns, or even a bit of self-deprecating AI humor. The key is to keep it light and engaging. Imagine your AI as a stand-up comedian practicing their set. The goal is to create interactions that feel natural and surprisingly funny. By thoughtfully crafting your prompts and utilizing ElevenLabs' powerful voice customization, you can turn your AI into a truly memorable comedian. So go forth, experiment, and get ready to make some AI-generated laughter.